Good day everyone, my name is Jermaine Tapales from JRC BS Entrepreneur, and here's my topic about studies at University of Santo Tomas. And we're going to tackle about study, romance, brutality experience, literature, and family.
Doña Teodora, his mother opposition to higher education. So, ayun nga, ayaw ng mother niya na mag-aral in higher education or study si Rizal. But his father and his brother wanted him to study. Rizal wondering why his mother didn't want him to study in higher education, knowing na his mother is into education. Rizal had completed his vocational course in surveying, which he graduated with highest honors. So, he finished surveying course in Ateneo year 1878. During his first year term pala in UST, he also studied vocational course sa Ateneo, and he remained loyal to Ateneo despite na nag-aaral na siya sa UST. UST 1877 to 1882, he transferred to medical course where he won more literary laurels. Rizal enrolled at UST taking the course on philosophy and letters. Rizal enters the university. In 1877 to 1878, he took philosophy and letters. Kaya kinuha niya yung philosophy and letters kasi gusto ng tatay niya, and he is still uncertain as to what career to pursue. And in 1877 to 1879, Rizal took up medicine course upon advice of Ateneo rector to study medicine. Ayun nga, in 1878 to 1879, Rizal pursue his studies in medicine dahil na rin sa advice ng Ateneo rector, and to cure na rin to his mother's growing blindness. Romance with other girl. Segunda Katigbak, or mas tinatawag ni Rizal na Miss L, she has fair with seductive and attractive eyes. And next is si Leonor Orang Valenzuela, a medical student from Calamba, Laguna, and a charming daughter of Kapitan Juan and Kapitana Sanday Valenzuela. Victim of Spanish officers' brutality. Rizal also experienced Spanish brutality when he was freshman at medical student in UST. While he was walking at night, may nakasalubong siya at hindi niya na-notice na isa palang gwardiya lieutenant ang nakasalubong niya. Hindi siya nakapagbigay salute man lang o nakabati. Sa simpleng ganun lang, he turned upon Rizal and whipped out his sword brutally, slash ladder at the back. The wound was not serious but painful. Later that day, he reported the incident to the General Primo de Rivera.